Hello, everyone. I was not able to do a watch list for this week because of my some of my personal commitments this week and last week. So it's been very difficult. But anyway, as I was observing, I realized that my watch list from last week, I'm still looking at it very carefully. So I want to just remind you and share that same things with you again. Look at Nifty. And now Nifty is on its way up to the all-time high. So it's looking good, but we don't know how much consolidation. See, right over here at about 18,130. Okay, I'm expecting a little bit of a sideways move, possibly with Nifty. All right, and then next we'll look at HCL Tech. Look what's happening there with HCL Tech. Let me just, yeah. See, we've been watching a channel pattern with HCL Tech, okay? And as you can see, I'm expecting about a 13% move up right here. The moving averages look good, but that's the direction I was up right here. See, I was expecting that kind of a move right here as we went up, and then we faced some resistance right over here. And do you notice right there, same kind of resistance right here at same level? See, right there, we faced resistance and it got pushed down. And so right here, there's still resistance. There's a possibility for resistance right here. So I want to see, if this will continue moving up. Okay, now this is a trade that I'm looking for a 12 to 13% benefit right from this. TCS is another one that's almost exactly like that. See, here it is. It went up and then it went up all the way to here. And then look at this. This was a resistance. This was a resistance. And it looks like it's repeating that resistance right here. So I'm watching this because I'm still in this trade and I'm trying to see, if it's going to break through this resistance and continue up to this channel pattern, or if it is now breaking out of the channel pattern or not. That's my observation. Now, of course, here the moving averages also look good. So HCL Tech, TCS, and then SJVN. Okay, this is something I had drawn last week, and here it is. Still, I'm waiting to see if we can get this move up 4 and 5% possibility right here. And today's candle looks like it went up further, but then it faced some resistance. It's come down. Tech Mahindra, and that one also. Go back to SJVN, you will notice that look at the moving averages, the 20-day moving averages above the 60-day, looking good. And then the Tech Mahindra, same thing we're following with the all-time high. It has broken through and it faced some resistance right there and it came back down, okay? And then it tried to go up and but it retraced. Here it is, it retraced and it's moved up right there. So if it continues to move up, we're looking at about 5 to 6% benefit right there, Tech Mahindra. If this same resistance is respected, okay, we could expect a 4 or 5% or 5% gain. But if that doesn't work as resistance and continues to move up, then we don't know. And the sky is the limit, how far high it can go. The moving averages also look good, and it has gone beyond the all-time high. UPL. All right, here is UPL on its way up to the all-time high. It was already, it had hit the all-time high previously, and it went down several levels of support. It broke through, and now it's coming back. The moving averages are looking good, and I'm looking for about a 6% gain right here. And yes, there are some minor resistance, like right here. There is some resistance. And so maybe I'll draw that line, or actually the range of resistance that is still possible. And let me change this to a straight line instead of dash. Okay, all right, you see that? So so we could still experience some resistance right here, or it may push up and still give us that 5 or 6% gain. All right, so this is what I'm looking at for this week. and I hope you stay in the trades carefully. But then don't be afraid to hold on to cash. All right, don't be afraid to hold on to cash. We'll see what happens toward the end of this month. I'm still recovering from my losses from November. I've gotten my power of attorney submitted, and so that's been approved. So I should not experience those same kind of difficulties anymore. So now, whatever stop losses I have set, I can be sure that it will, or it should hit. And so take a small loss and I'll be out of the trade if things go south. All right, thank you. God bless you, and have a great week of trading and a month of trading. And I'm looking forward to our 4th Thursday night, okay, where we can gather. And then also, I have been also using, along with Zerora, I've been using Upstocks, and I've tried about 10 different trading platforms, in the Indian market, and the Upstocks also I find to be a very nice, very nice, clear and clean trading platform, and it seems to allow all of the things that I'm looking for, and its reporting structure all looks good so far. I'm still learning it, and so if you're interested in trying that, I have the link below. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless you.